Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro, and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll to find notifications and status bar, which may be quite confusing because usually we will go to the battery, but let's tap on the notifications and status bar. Now let's tap on the status bar, and as you can see here we've got two options which are connected with the battery and the percentage. Mainly we will focus on the battery percentage. As you can see, after tapping on this option, we've got three different options from which we can choose. Do not show, so we've got only the battery indicator, inside battery icon, which I've got currently applied, and outside battery icon, so it will be next to the indicator, and it is the most visible option available. And here we've got also the battery style, which is quite cool because we can change the horizontal usual kind of option to the vertical, which is also well known, but also we can set loop or do not show. So let me pick, for example, loop, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.